My Yummy Mummy Guide is actually Karishma Kapoor's book about her pregnancy, her diet and fitness and fashion. I started working with Karishma about 2 years ago, and I was writing the entire book for her. So it was an extremely interesting book to write because it's my first non-fiction, and I thought that because she was a mother and I was a mother, we could work together, and it was quite an incredible experience. My Yummy Mummy Guide is actually about Karishma Kapoor, but it's also a lot about tips on motherhood, tips on her life, on how she relates to diet, fitness, fashion, pregnancy, and what she would be talking to a lot of other mothers about. And so we worked on it together when I was coming up with different questions and she would be answering these questions. So it's not just about 2 years of her life, it's actually about her entire life, starting from her pregnancy of both her children to currently her motherhood status and how she balances work and motherhood. And a lot of my Yummy Mummy Guide has me in it as well, because I've been writing on motherhood in every article and blog of mine. So it was fun working with that. Yes, my Yummy Mummy Guide is a guide for aspiring mothers on how to deal with pregnancy, what to expect when you're expecting in the Indian context, and where to shop, how to look after yourself, and basically a whole manual on what you should be doing when you're pregnant and post-pregnancy. No, actually my Yummy Mummy Guide is for every mother. It's not just for the elite or the celebrity or the upper middle class. It's also for the middle class mother who wants to look good, who wants diet and fitness tips and wants it in an Indian context. So it's for everybody who is planning to get pregnant or is pregnant or has just had a child.